I'm Mark Sudonk with GSG, coming to you today from the GPX Expo in Irving, Texas. I'm with Lon Winters from Graphic Elephants. We're at the GSG booth 301. We're going to be printing live this amazing shirt by Lon and his crew. What can you tell me about it, Lon?
We went with all low cure inks, Rio. Jason and I will be here all weekend on the auto and the manual, doing our foil trick that we always do on the manual as well. Brand new designs, should be pretty cool.
And we're printing this on the auto, which is going to be the M&R Cobra E. What can you tell me about the Cobra? What's maybe 3 things that make that press stand out?
We've been able to run on it the last several years, and now it's one of my favorite presses.
Okay, awesome.
It's so quiet compared to the Series 3 machines. The heads are just phenomenal with the new micros
Sure.
and the off contact adjustment. One of the little tricks that you can set all your speeds to the same from the motherboard,
yes,
is really killer, especially when you're trying to orchestrate at a trade show.
And no more
kind of
walking
stuff
around the press to set all your speeds.
Awesome.
That's
we love
awesome. Make sure you come by 301, check out the M&R Cobra E, and also get one of these really cool shirts by Lon and his guys at Graphic Elephants.